Notespeller Lesson 5. In this lesson, we'll cover note names and values, both British and American, musical maths, and drawing bass clefs.
So let's start with a whole note. That's a round open note, just like that. Notice how when we draw whole notes, they're oval, they're slightly on their side, and we don't bother with having to try to emulate what the printed notes are, with trying to colour in this bit or colour in that bit. No, we don't need to do that because we're doing a hand-drawn version and it's just a round open note. This being a whole note or a semibreve equals 4 beats. Now if we take our semibreve, round open note, and we have a stem on it, add a stem to it, and we can have a stem that way, or we can do a round open note and actually put a stem going downwards. These are minims,
or half notes,
and they equal 2 beats. And if we take semibreve or our whole note and we colour it in, and we add a stem, this is called a crotchet or a quarter note, and it equals 1 beat. Musical maths. Here we have a sum in notes, and we can work it out by looking at what the values are for each note. So we know the first note here is a semibreve or a whole note, and it's worth 4. And then our next note here is a half note or a minim, and it's worth 2. And then the next note is a crotchet or quarter note, and it's worth 1. So if we add 4 plus 2 plus 1, we get 7. Let's look at how to draw a bass clef. Now bass clefs are used for lower sounding instruments like cello and double bass. And on the piano, we have a treble clef and a bass clef, and the bass clef are used for notes below middle C. So here's our middle C again here, and it's used for the lower notes. Again, this isn't quite a keyboard. There's 88 notes on a keyboard, and there's not 88 notes there, about 60 something. Let's look at how we draw a bass clef. We start, we curve around, up and down, and then we have 2 spots or dots. And just do it again, a bigger one. Up, down. Let's do it one more time. Up, round, and down with 2 spots.